How to log in into Roadrunner email account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Miki here, and in today's video I will guide you how you can log in into your Roadrunner email account. So without further delay, let's get started. Open up a browser and in the search bar, you have to type in Roadrunner email login. Press enter on your keyboard. From the search results, you can head over to the first link, that is webmail.spectrum.net. That's going to land you to their login prompt. Now to log in into your Roadrunner email, first of all, enter your email address. And under that, enter your correct password. In case if you forgot your email or password, there is a link right here. You can click on them, follow the on-screen instructions, and recover your account. So once you're done entering your email and your password, click on sign in button, and with that, you'll be logged in into your Roadrunner email account. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.